Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I unboxed these beautiful cookware sets as I got them somewhere, I think last month or last 2 months, but I forgot to share the unboxing video with you guys. And today, voila, here is it. Although I've already used them in some videos, but why not share the unboxing video? So this is a spatula and this is my ladder. Yeah, and I befriend is saying, Yamfana san ladder. So I got these beautiful two sets in the cookware set. Okay. So I will set them aside and then we will continue with the unboxing. Just see the color of the pots. Yeah. The color is somehow mild and the handle is golden and it is giving vibes and casa. So I'll put them aside and then continue with the unboxing. In all the sets, this is my favorite because it is very small and then just see the handle. So I am going to use the cover and cover it and you will see what I'm talking about. It is so cute and pretty and very small. Just see. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, okay, before you forget. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and then turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So, let's continue with the unboxing.
Irot Kitchen. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. New video every week. Ring the bell and get notified when we upload. Both local and continental dishes. Irot Kitchen go show you how to prepare them. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Everything food. Irot Kitchen. Both local and continental dishes. Irot Kitchen will show you. Stay tuned. Irot Kitchen. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. New video every week.
And guys, this is the end of this video, and I hope you love this. I can't wait to be a millionaire so I can buy more cookware sets and then share the unboxing videos with you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and then turn on your notification bell, okay? And please don't forget to watch my other videos, okay? See you in the next one, and then thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.